Getting your test and live Stripe API keys from Stripe account is actually very simple, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I want you to do is log into stripe.com. Once you log in, this is what it's going to look like, and you're going to go to your dashboard. Now on your dashboard, it's going to ask you to verify, log in, and all that. And once you log in, this is what's going to come through. Now this is our test sandbox. This is where we test everything we're going to do on Stripe. And it's similar to the live account, but this isn't real money. This is just play money to ensure that our code behaves exactly how we want it to behave. Anything we do here, you're going to do a similar thing for your live account, but for the live account, you're going to need to click this to switch to the live account. This is just a test sandbox. Now for you to get your test Stripe API, you're going to come to developers. You're going to come to API key. Now on the API key, as you can see here, you have your test tokens. These are your test keys. That's a secret key and that's a publishable key for the any communication you want to make from your application to Stripe. You can also create a restricted key, and this is for created apps. You can create keys for these created apps, but this is how you find your test API key. Now once you click on switch to live account, the only thing that's going to change is this is going to change to a live account. It will tell you you are now in your live account. You're no longer in the testing sandbox, and you can also get the key the same way. Now that's how you get your test and live Stripe API keys from your Stripe account. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.